Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Solana directly using the Phantom wallet quickly, safely, and step by step. Whether you are brand new or just need a refresher, stick with me. I will also share some pro tips to avoid mistakes and save money. First of all, real quick for this who are new. Phantom is a popular crypto wallet built for the Solana blockchain. It's like a MetaMask of Solana, super easy, super simple, and super secure, free to use. Alright, before you can buy Solana on Phantom, you will need a Phantom wallet installed and set up. A little bit of money, like a debit or credit card, and depending on the method, maybe a crypto exchange account too. If you haven't set up Phantom yet, I will leave a setup guide linked below. Let's go step by step now. Open Phantom wallet. First of all, open your Phantom wallet on your phone or browser. Now tap on the buy button. Click or click buy Sol with cash. Usually it's right there on your main wallet screen. Next, receive and send. Phantom connects with payments provider like MoneyPay, Coinbase Pay, and Simplex. Choose one based on your country and payment methods. For example, MoonPay works with debit or credit cards. Coinbase Pay is great if you already use Coinbase. Simplex supports even Apple Pay in some region. Enter your amount of USD, like $100. Now click on it and select from here a provider like debit or credit card. Now you can select Skrill Retailer debit card. Next, you will be redirected the payment provider's page. Fill out. Click buy. Now again, wait for 10 seconds and fill in your payment details, card information, billing address, maybe a quick ID verification if it's your first time. Then click bank account. enter amount again, and you will get your money from here. Once you confirm your purchase, just wait a couple of minutes. Your Solana will arrive directly into your Phantom wallet, ready to stacking NFTs or whatever you want. Bonus tips: if fees seem high, buying directly inside Phantom, there's another way. Buy Sol on a crypto exchange like Binance, Phantom, then buy Sol Cash, then enter amount. Now click debit and credit card, and from here click Binance account. Then click connect. Then click buy. Just copy your Phantom wallet address, paste it into the withdrawal section of the exchange, and send your Sol. Make sure you select Solana network, otherwise you might lose your funds. Now before you go, some important safety tips. Always double check you are using the real Phantom app or extension. Never share your secret recovery phrase. Be careful with random airdrops or messages asking for money. Bookmark Phantom's official website. Keeping your wallet safe, keeping your Solana safe. That's it. Now you know exactly how to buy Solana using Phantom wallet. Simple, easy, and safe. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe if you are into crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.